Hey traders, welcome to episode 533 of the show. You could be doing anything, but you're here. And because of that, I'm quite grateful, as always. So feeling a little bit better than yesterday, for sure. Still kind of out of it. I don't know, man. I don't know what it is. Maybe it's something in the water or something in the crypto. But anyway, question mark, bull flag, right? That's the title, isn't it? What's the name of the title of the stream again? What did I name it? Forming a bull flag, yeah, clear as day bull flag. Okay, you wouldn't say nah, Ray, no way. If we were looking at it bearishly, you'd be like, everyone would be like, oh my god, it's a bear pole bear flag. We're screwed, man. Yeah, you might be screwed. Trend is bearish. Descending triangle breakout. No real support until 96 to 9800. Not looking good for Bitcoin. Kappa looking very good for Bitcoin. All right. Right now, I guess, kind of bullishly engulfing on the 4 hour. 60 minute, that wick, man. Probably should have been looking at it on the 4 hour anyway, but, digress. Dude, sometimes these runs, they don't take long to consolidate before running again. I mean, the fact that we're in no man's land right now, we're not at resistance, okay? We're not really at a resistance point. We're flagging, consolidating, so people can get back in on this thing before we run again, probably. And we got very, very close to back testing old overhead resistance at 8,500 with that wick. Got as low as 85.47, but here we are at 87.32. Volatility's back, man. It's back. So eventually, on a breakout, if we could see it, we'd be looking for the measure move, up here, 96 to 9,800 area. So it just takes time, man. You got to be patient on consolidation patterns, and the reason why we consolidate is because our oscillators were nuclear overbought. I mean, we were in the 90s on the 60-minute when all this consolidation started, when we peaked. And as you can see on the 4 hour now, we've reset the oscillator officially. We're back out of overbought territory. We were sitting in overbought territory till yesterday. Now we're sitting very hot, perfect 66. We got as low as 65. That is bullish territory. That's great. All right, so. Just saying, man. If you think that it looks bearish, I don't know what to tell you, dude. The trend's bullish. We broke out of an ascending triangle, which is a bullish continuation pattern. Now we just create an impulse, and we're down sloping our consolidation. So that's bull pull bull flag. All right. I don't know, man. It's green pastures, wide open spaces till 9,500 to 10,000. Of course, you got 9,000 there, psychological rounded number that we talk about all the time. Any of them, 8,000, 7,000, 5,000, 10,000. So yeah, man, I'm surprised we haven't touched it yet. But man, we got really, really close to it, didn't we? I think the whales know about the Vegeta memes, how important they are to all of us. So couldn't let it happen yet. They say anticipation heightens the pleasure. Well, we know those Vegeta memes are going to be much more sexual when we hit it this time. Okay. Anyway, thank y'all again for all being here. At 6:08 Eastern, we've got almost 2 hours left until the daily candle close, the 4 hour candle close. So we got some time, man. Some time to do whatever the F we want. 87.32. Still down, about 36 bucks on the day. No big deal, man. It's a consolidation zone. All right. Oh, guess what, chat? XRP doing things. Just go to that real quick. Beautiful, dude. Freaking beautiful. Confirmed the breakout. Confirmed the pattern was valid by holding and never getting one candle close. Once we broke it, the resistance, we never had one candle close below that resistance. It became support. 1, 2, 3, 4 times we back tested after that breakout. And again, beautiful. Running up. First area of resistance, I've got an alert on it, 46.546 cents. That's a candle high close back from, the 16th. Like 12 days ago, something like that. And then look left, there's also resistance. The wick right here, okay, back from December 24th. That was a Chin Ping Zhao. We talked about that in the video. This was a trade setup too. It was brilliant, man. It was the bullish divergence, the downslipping resistance. We busted it, hit our first and second target, and then with first and second target it was 38%, then 50% retrace, and then 61.8% retrace. We were being conservative because the market was so trash, right? And so the only reason we hit a 62% retrace here is because Chin Ping Zhao opened his mouth and talked about XRP pairs, and then that was it. We never saw that again until 12 days ago, right? So we know the stories, man. We know about the lore of some of these pumps, all right? Just been covering it for 16 months now, man. So we should know the stories and the lore of these S coins, or altcoins, excuse me. Excuse me. So anyway, Bitcoin covered, XRP covered for the most part. I mean, I did a static video on XRP, so I shouldn't even be doing this. But hey, we're still showing lots of strength after that big amount of rejection. Well, it's really not, I mean, I guess rejection, just more so just indecisiveness on both sides. Last 4-hour candle.
After seeing hundreds of your live streams, I can safely say I can see the symbols in the matrix now. I'm not a trader, but my eyes are open now.
Good, good. You took the pill. You took the right pill, man. Excellent. I wish I remembered more matrix references right now, but I don't. Drawing blanks. Okay, so thank you. Was that yeah, Octoman PCs, thank you for the $5 super chat, man. Ethereum Classic Connect in the jar. Kings, man. All right, holding on to tons of positive momentum. Great news there, but a little overbought, right? Since 78, not too crazy for crypto. We've seen much crazier, even though, do we know overbought is overbought, right? So we haven't seen this overboughtness since the 16th of May, 12 days ago. Since we hit this peak. All right, we got much higher. How high did we get? We got up to like 86 to 88 on the RSI, where we're at 78 here, so we'll see, man. We'll hear the beep, and if we can break that, do a measured move of this trade setup of the double bottom, first level take profit, if you were getting down at low risk entry areas, would be the right at the resistance, just in case the trade failed, but you can hold on, for the other part of your position and let it ride to that measured move at 49.5 cents. It's working out pretty well so far. Well, we're not there yet, and we do have resistance above us before we get there, so not out of the woods yet. Don't get cocky, kid. Alright. Gotta drink distilled water. Oh yeah, dude, totally. Totally. I think my my spiritual leader told me about that in the last Zen session we had or something. I don't know. What's up, girl 90028? Interesting. What's up, John Doe, Dill Pickle, Kyver Crypto, Sequin, Miguel, Andy K, James Brewer. A lot of new faces in here. Good to see y'all. If you are new, please be sure to hit that like button, that bell, that sub if you want to see this channel grow. And if you don't know, this channel is literally exploding on growth. We're averaging like 130 subs per day. Go look at anyone's Social Blade in crypto and tell me what channels are doing that right now, because I don't even know what's happening. It's insane, the growth, and it's not stopping. And I'm just very humbled by it and very grateful. All right. That's all y'all. I mean, that's all y'all. What's up, Stronger? What's up, Mike LSU? I think it already broke out.
Is that a joint?
Hot breaking out. Hot / USDT targets.
We'll look at it, Anon, man. Thanks, dude. Hello, Connect. What in the world, man? Oh, yeah. That's right. Matt Tipton, thanks for the sub, man. Welcome, dude. Welcome. Thanks for stopping by. Yeah, this one was weird, man. It was like... It's like you had a channel, you fell out of it, and you're right back in it, and now you got this new trend you're in. It's a beautiful trend. What's up, Darren Golder? Welcome. Thanks for joining, man. Just looking at it now, not much we can really do. It's getting just so crazy now. Mr. Frazier 78, thanks for joining, dude. Welcome, man. Kings. Alright, so what is it? That's about it. Oops, sorry. Not much we can really do. I mean, you go from your high point to low point. Is that really going to do anything, Fibonacci? I don't know. I think we tried this before. It doesn't work out. High to low. Yeah, dude. I mean, Look, you struggled at the 1618 fib extension 3 times, and eventually you did break it. You broke it for sure at, what is that, 20.9% of 1 penny. My god, they're not even penny coins, they're fractions of penny coins. Okay. So the 2618 fib extension is up at 27.8% of 1 penny. So could see that. You're breaking the heart line, it seems, of the channel. Just anchor point 1 and 2 and 3 on the bottom, 1 on the top. That's all we can do, man. I need this stuff here. Doesn't make sense. You broke it. Okay. New trend. New angle of ascent. All right. So yeah, you could see that, dude. I don't know. It's a runaway. There's nothing looking left. You're in outer space, man. There's no other way to... I mean, I guess you could do short-term fib extensions, right, from this more major high to low point. You could also look... Let's see here. Not sure how much help it's going to be, but you do that. Oh, okay. So doing that puts us right at high to low, a 1272. You're breaking it, so we're looking at 25.525% of 1 penny, and then you've got 26.793% of 1 penny. God. So yeah, man, you're starting to exceed the 1272 fib extension. The shorter term, you know, higher, lower, right? That's how we got it, man. So this is all you can really do, you know. And then you can, of course, look at the major, and we know that 2618 is much higher, right? So yeah, hot looking good. It looks like definitely some sort of ascending triangle, right? I mean, you look at the sell wall, sell wall, sell wall, accumulation. Sure, man. Yeah, you could definitely look at it like... I think we actually did look at it like that before. So if you want to, you know, try to act like, oh, no, it wasn't, man. It wasn't, what the... Dude, give me a break, man. Alright, others would argue to say, no, man, it was just a symmetrical triangle we backtested as, right? It looks like. See, you didn't even backtest if it was a symmetrical triangle. It just looks like sell wall, sell wall, sell wall. But whatever, man. Go with God on whatever pattern you think it was. But either way, man, a measured move of the pattern. See, that's why I like the ascending triangle. It's a more conservative measured move, right? But this is like using that wick, man. You know, from the low point to high point to the structure makes it kind of crazy. So that's like from the breakout. I don't know. I mean, I guess it's not that crazy, right? You're almost there, right? Measure moves at really the 1618, 26% of 1 penny. Well, man, we're almost there. We're getting there. Gonna take over Bitcoin and Apple and Nvidia and Amazon one day. Hot Connect. You did it, man. Pat yourself on the back. Okay. We cool? Bitcoin 8704. Sorry, just drinking this coffee, man. Okay, that was running behind a little bit. Okay. Oh, is that it, Kristen, man? Conspiracy theory is back. Should I get the tinfoil hat? Okay. I entered the YouTube market perfect. Yeah, only for someone that's only been watching for like 10 minutes or a couple months. I've been streaming for 16 months straight, 7 days a week, in the worst of market conditions, Calvin. So if you're unsubscribing, I don't even know. You don't even give a reason why you're unsubscribing. It's just weird. Okay, so shoot, man. Came in at the perfect time. Only a FOMOer coming into this market because of FOMO would say that. Okay. Yeah, EOS and IOTA killing it. Dude, you want to see something nuts, man, on IOTA? Look at this, man. It's perfect. It's freaking perfect. The measured move ungodly touched. Like, you can't even believe it. It's so perfect. Up almost 13% today. It's beautiful. So 48.73 cents last time we looked at it. Yesterday, the day before, we talked about this. That was the target, man. 50 cents. Oh, IOTA can do it, but Ripple can't. Who got there first? IOTA beat Ripple, man. All in on IOTA, Kappa. All right. Nice volume came in. Beautiful, dude. Very, very beautiful. Just a pattern of consolidation hitting its mark perfectly. Okay, that's what happened. No, it wasn't news on IOTA coming out with a deal with Microsoft or a rumor of it. No, it was just probably pure technical stuff. You broke out. Oh, it was nice, man. It was real nice too. Look, it's like you broke out. Yeah, break, hook, and go. Oh my goodness, chat. We have ourselves rising 3 methods bullish continuation pattern. Wow, we don't see that often. Carl Hudson, thanks for the $5 super chat. Appreciate the Ethereum Classic Connect in the jar. Oh, thank you, dude.
Is that a joint?
Oh god, Engine Connect, man. Thought we were friends, dude. Thought we were friends. I mean, engine to what, right? You know, engine to what? Thank you. I'd like to know. If you could give me like the BTC pair, US dollar pair, what pair, dude? You know, like that would help a bunch. Thanks, man. Because not looking too hot for you on the Bitcoin pair. Not really at all. Sorry. Anyway, yeah. Once you get back with me, I don't want to like I did before where they'll be like, hey, look at this asset. And I'll look at it. They'll be like, no, to the other pair, and it's like, then I'm like having them, you know, what? Oh my god, what happened to my chat? There you go. It was like frozen because it wasn't updating because I'd not gone down far enough. I'm sorry I missed like all the chat, y'all. My bad. It just happens. It's gone lit, gone nuclear. It's gone Chernobyl. What's up, Joe Lewis? Michael Kelly. Dan Quatch. Welcome, man. So, IOTA pulling back some. Ripple looking pretty good, man. Oh, guess what? Zcash doing things. Also up a lot. Oh, it's beautiful, dude. The story, too. The downsloping channel. Then the low double bottom with stronger performance
Hey,
on
Mitch,
those.
looking good today. What do you think about EOS FOMO? Thanks.
What do I think about it? I think that it's a great example of what happens when you have no or little resistance above you after you break critical overhead resistances before it. EOS is just a great example of that. That's what I think about it. And we discussed targets on EOS, where it could potentially go. And it's not quite there yet. We got like another $1 to go, or 90 cents, right? You're just struggling a little bit. I think there's a little bit of resistance where we are, $8 zone. So, sure, King Crypto, we'll look at the FTM coin. Oh, sure, man. Flavor of the month, flavor of the minute coin. King Crypto, they didn't do a very good job picking their ticker. Anyway, let me see what someone was saying about their pair. Oh. Michael Gomez, hello, are you there? You said yeah, lol. Yeah, lol. BTC pair, if you're talking about the BTC pair, okay. I mean, that's what it looks like to me on the 4 hours. Got anchor point 1 and 2 and 3 on the bottom and 1 on the top. Struggling at the heartline 75, heartline. I don't know, it doesn't really look that good, but you know, daily though, I think we had some sort of harmonic stuff. Maybe not though. Jeez. Either way, let's just use our Fibonacci, low to high. So we're right at that 78.6% retrace. We're right at the 200-day moving average. This is extremely important. It's also horizontal line support back from May 4th, 2018. Okay, talking an entire year ago, right? Yeah, just making sure the year's right. Yeah, we're not in 2018 anymore. Yeah, 1 year ago. So falling below this will devastate you. Probably. You'll probably be screwed. I mean, you know, there's the 886 at 1374 sats. Okay.
Is that a joint?
With hot/BTC hits 34 shots like you should, does that throw the hot/USDT TA out the window?
Oh, I don't know, man. I kind of look at them. as is. I don't really, oh hey man, this US dollar pair is doing something, so time to change up the way I analyze things based on something else. See, I don't do it like that. I look at it as is. Okay. Thanks, Anon, for the 420. So, you were in deep retrace territory, aren't you? You certainly are. All right, so we're diverging. All right, low, lower low, lower levels negative momentum. All right, so you do have a little bullish divergence going on. Well, make sure that visibility is good too. Whoops. There we go. Okay, so definite bullish divergence, but there's always a chance that, I mean, look, man, from the bullish divergence, this is all you got. It manifested into just you rejecting the 20-day moving average as a resistance, and now you're back down, just barely holding on to that 200 moving average. Got no response from hitting that 200-day moving average besides this. That's real bad, man. Your moving averages, you're about to fall below all three of them. Very bad. So there's always a chance you could sell off one more time down to the 886, and we could get triple MACD bullish divergence, maybe end up getting some tail end bullish divergence on the RSI, but so far we don't have that. We do not have that. So engine is just on its way down after a nice, more long-term pump and dump, right, from an institution, it seems like. That's it to me. 4 hour, there you go. This is the parameter of the downtrend. Okay, not so great, is it? No, BTC pairs around the market look like this, so not surprising at all. Sorry, man, but FTM to BTC is not on TradingView, therefore I cannot analyze it. I do apologize about that, but kind of makes sense that I've not heard of it, because I probably would have analyzed it at least once in this past 16 months of streaming. Okay. Makes sense, man. Sorry. But we can go to EOS real quick. Just take a look. Oh, it's beautiful, man. Beautiful. Double bottom. Target hit. We doubled the target. We doubled the measured move of this double bottom. Beautiful. Bullish divergence involved with it. Uptrend was extremely beautiful. Where did we double bottom? We double bottomed off old overhead resistance as support. Ungodly, man. And once you did that, explosion to the upside. Why? Because there's no real resistance. I mean, you know, there's really no resistance where we are now. I think you just got nuclear on your 60-minute, you know, RSI, and your MACD went nuts. So you just takes time to calm down. But there's no real overhead resistance until like $9.30 to $9.40. Okay, there's not. And just being straight up with you, like we're in green pasture territory. There's some chop and some candles here and there, but for the most part, look, what happens when you sell off, when you break $9.30, 40 cents, you sell off right down to $7. What happens when you hit $7? Yeah, you double bottomed here and ran right back up to 930, 940. And what happened when you hit it as resistance? You sold right off in that area, rallied. Where'd you rally to? Right back up to 930, 940. And then, yeah, you did chop here to kind of double top up here and then right back down. And once we broke this critical area, gone. See ya, right? So where we are, we're just stalling because there's like a little bit of chop. But this is really where we probably would go if the market, or the macro maintains its bullishness, 930 to 940. Okay. EOS Connect, beautiful, beautiful breakout of an upslipping channel. This thing got as low as like $1.60 or something, and now here we are at $8+. Beautiful, man. EOS Connect. There we go. We missed like literally 95% of chat or more, so that's my bad, dude. But it's not really not much I can do about it, right? We're just looking at things. What's up, Squid Conqueror? Good to see you, dude. Okay, y'all. So I'm getting more and more like antsy because like everything's getting done in my house for like renovations, and so I'm deciding between Austin and Atlanta on where I want to reside next, because I've never lived outside of the state before, never resided out of here. So it's either going to be Austin or Atlanta. And what do y'all think? Which one? Which A-town? up, Michael D? Mr. Simon? What is it? Fire Nation? Oh, God. What are my thoughts on any BTC pair right now? For the most part, trash. Trash trend. Awful. We'll see if Nano's any different. Oh, Nano's no different at all. Complete trash. Oh, dumpster fire, man. Like, oh. Hey, it did its thing though, man. It did its what it was supposed to. Haha. We haven't changed this, dude. Right angled and ascending, broadening formation, bearish pattern. The only reason you create the upsloping resistance like this, which we did break on a double top after hitting a 38% retrace from our major swing high up there to swing low. Okay, it was beautiful. You hit the golden zone, did you not? Yes, you did. Exactly what you're supposed to. This is why I teach Fibonacci all the effing time in here. Okay, and if you don't know about Fibonacci, go watch my video. It's under the education tab on my YouTube channel. Check it out. It will change your freaking life when it comes to charts. Okay, so anyway, we hit it. We double topped at it, and then we dumped. Okay, so to me, it just seems like a couple false breakouts of the right angled and ascending broadening formation, and this pattern really just exists because it's testament to the too much buying pressure, a big buy wall. It's like a descending triangle, but instead of right down sloping, instead of distribution, it rallies the upside. It's like a false perception of you know, it's not, there's no accumulation, right? But it shows false demand, I guess, of a particular asset. And I think that's what we got. And then look what's happened. We broke the buy wall finally. It was bearish. And look where we are now. We're just selling off methodically. I don't know how long this thing's going to keep selling, but you've broken very, very critical support. And guess what, man? If you think this is a decent support, you're wrong. This is bad, man. I mean, Nano, all-time lows, 1281. Good luck, dude. Good luck on Nano. I wouldn't touch this crap, but good luck, man. If you think, like, based on the visionary shaman that you watch or read about, good luck, dude. Okay, technically this is trash. Really bad. But whatever, man. Okay, daily. I don't see any kind of structure on the way down. Straight line down. You're not diverging. You're just kind of holding on to bearish territory. I mean, maybe you could consider that divergence. I mean, I guess, right? But what trend are you in, man? You're not bullish. Oh yeah, you're not bullish at all. The history of this chart is bearish. There's nothing bullish about it. Okay, so maybe if we decide to pivot before we hit this area down here at 1549, we might be okay. But dude, this is just not something I would be touching. But good luck on Nano, dude. So good with Ethereum real quick, since we missed it, I think, at the beginning of the stream. Coinbase. Okay. Not really going anywhere, are we? It's not really forming a flag, like a down-sloping flag. It's more like kind of a pennant now, or something. Up-sloping flag. I mean, you're showing some small amounts of accumulation. But the wicks, I don't know, man. Maybe we get the 60-minute and it'll look better. It just looks like kind of a rectangle, or almost like an ascending triangle of some sort besides the wicks. It's like clear sell wall up at like 273, and then you've just got higher lows. Okay, so I get it, man. You got little wicks here and stuff, but I think this is just following Bitcoin. Dude, what's great is it's above the 20 and 50 moving average, so this thing could be setting up for higher prices again, just stalling because you're at resistance points. Okay, not too bad, man. Not too bad at all. Excuse me. This thing's going with Bitcoin. All right, Bitcoin sells off, this thing's gonna sell off too. Bitcoin runs the upside, this thing's gonna run to the upside too. Okay, we've seen some pairs though today, specifically some yesterday, that with Bitcoin doing nothing, just stuck in consolidation pattern, some of these alts have had the opportunity to fly. literally fly, man. We just looked at IOTA and Zcash, right? Beautiful. Yesterday, I think ICX kind of ran the show a little bit. Litecoin did very, very well. EOS yesterday. Monero did well yesterday. So we're seeing just altcoins having a good time. With Bitcoin consolidating bullishly. Yes, the bull flag. What's up, ONJ? Holy crap, man. Lost a chat. Sorry. What's up, Julia? Good to see you. Yeah, Nia's been doing well. It already started with that falling wedge. And it's just been going. It's just been going. King Logan, what say you, man? Remember? I guess screwed, right? It's the last thing I said to you. Sorry, man. There's a lot of stuff to read through. Okay, most of it's just S-coin spam, but so I'm having to sift through the S-coin spam. The demands, not really, hey, would you please look at this? I like you, man. Are there green lights? The green lights are reserved for Bitcoin, not Ripple. Okay, man. Who used to always ask for IOTA in deep bear times? I can't remember. Who was it, dude?
New subscriber here. How can I pull up same charts, indicators and chart flip option as you? Thank you for all you do. Hashtag Team Bob Ross.
Team Bob Ross, is that right? Minty Crypto? Thanks for the $5 super chat. I don't know how you can get it exactly like me. Probably watching me for long enough to where people ask all the time, hey, how do you do this? How do you set up this indicator? How do you set up this, this channel? How do you do this? How do you do that? And it's like over time you just accrue knowledge watching the stream. Okay, it's not going to happen overnight if you're trying to learn everything I do. So, easy enough though. Flipping the chart is easy, man. Chat, everyone pay attention. All you have to do is Alt-I. Alt-I. Dang, dude, look at that huge impulse down. Look at the consolidation. We're breaking out bearishly. Oh my god. Oh my god, right? No support until $300. Cap up. No resistance till $300. But thanks again, Minty Crypto, Team Bob Ross. We got a little bit of happiness involved with our consolidation on Ethereum. That's what caused it to break out. It had positive energy when it went to bed. Or something. Okay. Jeez, man. Oh yeah, Devastator, you're listening on the drive home? Hopefully I'm not distracting you, man. Okay. What's up, Paul Wall? No, I'm not going to look at TEL to BTC. Sorry, man. Okay. Those are mine, William. They're mine. Okay. Yeah, I turns any BTC pair bullish, right? Any one, man, except Link. It would make Link look bearish. Okay, so. Tronkeneck hasn't done much since yesterday.
Submit. Can you look at TTN/BTC, please?
Oh, yeah, sure. You could have just said, can you look at any other S coin? Here you go. Here's your... We got XRP doing amazing things, right? And then people are like, can you look at this failed project called Electronium? Well, we wanted to be able to mine on iPhones, but Apple's not letting us do it anymore. We spent all our money on marketing. We don't really know what to do now, but yeah. But we'll tell you, it's still valid. It's still a good project, man. Okay, Electronium, here it is. Good job, Electronium. Like, what do you want me to do here? You want me to draw a channel? I guess I can draw, man. What are we doing on the bottom side, top sides? Probably trashy either side. Jeez, man. You can do 1 and 2. Nah, see, that's not it, dude. I mean, from the top here. See, it doesn't make sense. It just has to be the bottom. Okay. Do 1 and 2. Yeah. There you have it, man. That's what you got. Terrible, dude. There you go. 1 and 2, or 1 and 2 now on the bottom, 1 on the top. That's it. How do you know that? Look at the heart line, man. Resistance, 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 resistance. You can't break the heart line.
Thoughts on
Ever.
possible double bottom on ADA/BTC Bittrex chart?
I don't know, man. We'll look at it. Thanks, dude, for the $5 super chat. Appreciate it. Yeah, it's true though. Electronium they have good hearts, man. Okay. Yeah, there you go. Of course, Drew. Yes, it is an S coin. Yes, it's a true S coin. ETN was trash for masses who had no clue about crypto. Yes, Stefan. Yes. Come at me. Come at me. You ETN shills. You're in here. I don't know how they can even. You can't be an ETN shill unless you have lost stupid amounts of money in it and you're somehow still bullish on them, or you're part of their marketing team. There's no one else besides that in the ETN bullish space. Robert Clark, here you go, dude. There it is. XRP, double bottom, broke out. Back tested the resistance as support on candle closes, and we've run again. We've decided to rally. We're approaching 46.5 cents. Big resistance. This stems back to Christmas Eve last year. Okay. Anyway. But cool, man. But I can mine ETN with my phone. What's really sad is, like, I can do all that crap with my phone, and then, like, then, you know, Tim Cook himself, I think, comes out and addresses it and talks about how they'll never let that be possible, and then people still think it's like I actually got a chance, right? Oh, this looks like a higher low double bottom. Yeah, man. Yeah. It surely does. And I don't know why this didn't save. But yeah, huge ascending broadening wedge on ADA. Turned into, anyway. Plummeted after we hit the measure move of the inverse head and shoulders pattern. Plummeted after we hit the golden retrace from our major discernible swing high to low. It was beautiful, man. This was altcoin season perfection right here. Ungodly. But something happened, you know, since April 3rd. It's been terrible. Okay, you went from a high of 2,000 roughly all the way down to 900. Okay, very bad. Lost stupid amounts of value. Yeah, so you've broken it down some resistance and you're now double bottoming with a higher low. Very nice potential pattern. Might be a setup, but remember the macro. Well, macro is great, but not for BTC pairs. It's terrible. Everything to BTC is getting demolished. And if we know what's possibly happening right now, which we do know, Bitcoin setting over higher prices. What does that mean? Well, man, I guess if Bitcoin's setting over higher prices, we might as well get in on this. Wait, what? If you know Bitcoin doing well to the US dollar correlates or turns into this, it's, you know, you're trading a double bottom and a not so bullish trend, but the good news is higher low than your previous low still. So yeah, there still might be opportunity here. Yeah. Good job. Okay, so here's your resistance, right? We just looked at this, you know, like something just like Ripple, man, or XRP. It had a exact same double bottom. This is higher low. And we could rally all the way up here. Your first profit taking level on a double bottom, potential double bottom, be like 12 sats. And then we could measure. I'd be conservative. I would just go from like the wick of the higher low double bottom. I mean, a breakout would be insane. Like, this is literally the way the pattern should manifest. And it would make sense because that puts you in golden retrace levels. Look, let me clean some of this up for you so you can see. Yeah, Mike LSU, dude. Sure, dude. We'll do it, man. Alright. So remember the old neckline of the huge inverse head and shoulders is up at like 1300. So I don't know if that would act as some sort of resistance or not. Let me just move this though. Keep it clean. All right, why does this make sense? Because look, from your major high to low on a breakout, you're going right in between the golden zone. It's perfect. It could be beautiful. Yeah, so whoever bringing up 88 to BTC, it might have a shot, dude. Seriously. But just remember what happens to altcoins when Bitcoin becomes king, when it runs. And the thing about this is, though, man, we've seen it where it's not always like that. They like decouple, they change, you know, the way they are. So, hey, man, 88 BTC. Find out what it means to me, man. All right. Potentially nice, dude. Potentially nice. All right. I'm going to read some chat for a second, okay? Everyone calm down. But we can look at the, I don't know, total market cap's going to look any different. Okay. Yeah, it's still not updating. I mean, like, coin market cap saying we're like 270 something billion, right? 273 billion. I mean, that's saying we're like up here. I mean, I guess it's not that far off. But this is just still saying 261, okay, on this chart. And where is that 50% retrace, like perfectly, from that major discernible swing high up here to low, right on the dot. And I don't, you know, breaking this gonna send you all the way up to 290 billion. If you can break this, man, which you already have, we know, we should see 290. That's the next overhead resistance on this chart, assuming technical analysis works here, which it's worked multiple times for us. Okay, it really has. So that's new. I've never seen that before. That actually never existed. I never saw it before. Huh. On total. Crazy, stupid wicks. Doesn't make any sense. So anyway, a triangle turned into a bullish breakout, but now facing resistance. And if we could break it on this chart, should see 290 very soon. That's it. We'll see, Reno. Reno said 9K tonight. I don't know, man. And thanks for the 945 people tuned in. If you're enjoying the live stream, hit that like button, that bell, that sub. Let's get a like spike, sub spike, Kang spike, everything spike, including Bitcoin. All right. Holy crap. Sorry. Too much chat. Where Star Wars worlds connect when you need them, right? Hey, Jason Russell. Thanks for the subscribe, man. Or subscription, I guess. Whatever. Is Bitcoin going to 9,000? Someone just said it was. But I think it seems likely. And, of course, this consolidation that is slightly down slope could continue on as long as it needs to. But, dude, we are in no man's land, all right? You have to understand with Bitcoin, where we are right now. We're not using really anything as resistance. We just went nuclear on our shorter time scale oscillators and had to reset, and that's why you consolidate, okay? You didn't even hit 9,000, which is a psychological resistance. We hit like 89.34. No, 89.45, as high as we got on Coinbase. All right. And here's just the total market cap. Okay. So Michael Chase, man. Thanks, dude. Appreciate that. What happened, Kiki? Yeah. That's weird, though, because the reaccumulation was different on the one I had, that example I had. You're using Roman Bogomazov, so he might be a Bogdanov. If he's Bogomazov, he might have it in his blood or something, so maybe we'll go with that. But yeah, I mean, jump across the creek right there. And what is it? Last price supply, the LPS. Is that what it is? I'm trying to remember off the top of my head. Last point of supply. Yeah, the LPS. We're in the LPS territory right now. I think this is kind of where we are on Bitcoin, right? But I don't think so, because we formed an ascending triangle. Let me go back to it. What you're looking at. See, I think what you're talking about, I think the jump across the creek was here. Let's see, what my example is different than yours. And I'll show it. What's up, Chris S? Thanks for the sub, man. Kangs. Sub Spike! It's going, dude. It's going. Hold on. More become learned stuff. Under chart patterns? Or pattern? It's under chart patterns. One. Okay. So the same thing you have, dude, I have too. And this is the way mine looks. Alright.
Hey Mitch, wanna see something cool? Look at total 2, and the chart may be out. Season is upon us. Prayers. Folded hands.
Folded hands. Really? Folded hands can't say prayer? Nah, dude. It's 2019. Time to get destroyed. Maybe alt season is upon us. Yeah, it seems like it, right? Bitcoin dominance has been going down. Market cap has been increasing. Altcoins have been moving up in value, meaning like the money that was either on the sidelines or new money is coming in the market and it's not going into Bitcoin specifically, but that's okay because Bitcoin's bullishly flagging right now. Hold on, what did I say? What the heck? A spacesuit plus your funny Dr. Humor? What? LOL? Is that Dr. Humor? I think a weekly costume would be pretty funny, or just the moon hat during bull runs if it doesn't get too hot. So the way the hat works, you can make me wear a hat anytime you want. You will get a vote on it. It's anytime the tip jar fills up is when I wear a hat. We changed the rules a long time ago. It was based on we had to do it some way because milestones weren't working because trolls and stupid stuff. So it was just like, if you want to do it every day, you can make me become a wizard, Viking, or vet moon boy every day, and then that's it, man. So can't say you can't make it happen. All right, but it's like a collective thing. Okay. Anyway, this is what I have. All right, the conventional labeling of reaccumulation trading range. So right here, I feel like was right here. Okay, the 9 jump across the creek, and I feel like we already broke out. We had a clean break. I don't think we ever got that LPS, right? Maybe if we coming back to S8500, it might be the last point of supply, right? But as it stands now, man, I feel like we've broken out, and we might be right here. Could already be done, man. Ownership strengthened, did it not, chat? Higher lows, accumulation? Yeah, more people in on this with one sell wall. Okay. Anyway. Dry. Okay, dry humor. Where's the info on Supermesh? What? Info, I don't know what Super Mitch is. Chat. What is Super Mitch? Holy crap. Simon 9, thanks, man. Appreciate the kind words, dude. Thank you for watching. Okay, thank you for the support. Stu, UTS, used to be homeless. Bitcoin's running. Now he lives in a van down by the river. Be careful, man. Hopefully you don't live somewhere in Florida. Or like Africa or South America, because crocodiles. But alligators in Florida. Let it be known. I mean, Wyckoff best time is probably going to be daily or 4-hour or weekly. Rock, Cranberger. Okay, I wouldn't be messing with it on shorter time scales than that, man. Okay, because big players aren't either. Do I think we'll fill it this week on CME Futures? Dude, Crypto, Ian, 97% of the time we do fill the gaps, but sometimes, man, it takes us like 2-3 months before those gaps get filled. I've seen it in the past. So there's a high likelihood it'll fill, but we have no idea when. We get at 10,000, 11,500 before selling off and making major retreads before we fill all those gaps. Okay, so I wouldn't put too much weight in it. I would look at the patterns at hand, what's happening, what's the context, ascending triangle. Yeah, it broke out. And now you're bull pull bull flagging in an area where there's absolutely no overhead resistance. Logically, it would make more sense to run to the upside and hit those areas of resistance before we sold off, not just crap out now. Night later, A-Day, man. Thanks for watching. Thank you, GT, man. You were super with your support, dude. What? Under my tutelage, we have transcending intellectual pedantry? Yeah, certainly. I'm pretty bad with that. I can't help it. Blame my dad, man. My dad's really pedantic, and like growing up, you know, I'd be learning, expanding my vocabulary, and he would tell me why, like, that word is wrong to use there, like, all the time. And so, like, I had to get real good, you know, which is great teaching and stuff, but it has manifested into me being more pedantic, probably. My father's definitely a wordsmith. What's that? Super Mitch, the costume equals superhero. Oh, okay, no motion on text is tough to get the message across. Where's the tip jar? What does it hit? Cost? What? The tip jar is looking to the left of your screen, bottom left of your screen. That's it, man. You see the Ripple in the jar, Ethereum Classic, Verge is in the jar. There's Tesla and the marijuana leaf in the jar. I mean, you're like halfway there. But, yeah, that's how it works, man. I mean, dude, there's like a key. There's so many different variations, man, that you can use to tip, right? And they all are different, and I actually have the key and can just post the link in the chat if most people won't care, but it's definitely a way we do it, right? I mean, like, that's why we have so many XRPs in the jar, because it's like 101 to $5, $4.99, and then you got like 333 for Tron, and then, you know, 420 Tesla, Ethereum Classic, like 5 to 999, 690 for Verge, and these are updated. These are like real emojis that I invested to get on the stream. You know, Zcash is 1212. Burst Coin, someone wanted Burst Coin, Travis, and we made him an emoji for 777. Monero, Erwin Coffee, Golden Mean Ratio for, you know, 1618, 1618. The chain for 25, Ethereum for, you know, different size Ethereums for just between $20 and $49, and then Binance is $50. You get what I'm saying? $100 or higher the Bitcoin, and then 420 smoking Elon. So there's a way of, you asked, man. I'm not just doing this because I'm talking about it. You asked me, so I tell. We've made the tip jar very, very complex, and that's sometimes been terrible for me on my side. But whatever, man. These friends, Brett, Juliana. Okay, you are friended, man. What's up, YouTube gamers? Mr. Checkmark. What's up, FPF Stang? Hey, we have Crypto Stang too. Y'all should be Stang brothers or something. Do you think we will see a drop before we get the next run up? Always thought. Well, we are dropping. Have we not dropped since we're pinnacle at 89.45? We got as low as 85.48. So yeah, always a possibility this flag could extend on as long as it needs to until that buying pressure picks us up. I mean, bulls are clearly in control here. If you think bears are in control of this consolidation, you're mistaken, man. Just like we look at it bearishly, I'm sorry. If you think bulls are in control of this bear pull bear flag, you're mistaken. All we're doing from this high point to low point is making a 38% retrace roughly and just getting ready to run again. That is the highest probability, right? There's a higher probability we break the upside than downside. Okay. How long can a flag... What is that? How long could a flag probably consolidate to be considered a bull flag still rather than a consolidation pattern? Dude, this thing can extend on. Normally, you don't want these to be larger than the impulses. That's, to me, where the breaking point, it starts becoming just a channel or something. But, dude, it doesn't matter. Anything above, I think, 83.44, like, we could sell off for like a week and go all the way down to 83.41. As long as you backtest and hold above, I think, 83.45, the pattern, I think you're good, man. I think you're safe. I think the bulls still have control until you fall below 83.50 or whatever. That's really that sell wall that we busted through, right? All the sell orders finally filled, and we just ran up because there was no supply at that price anymore. It was only up here near 9,000. So, thank you, Mr. Cranberger. What's up, Chronicles of Chadwick? Did you say steak? No, I said mistake. I remember that movie. It was the dumbest, crappiest, worst movie ever. It was like the Gigolo movie. I think it was like the second Gigolo movie, and like it was like that big woman, and she was like obsessed with food, and he's like, this has been a mistake, and she's like, did you say steak? I don't know why it like burnt in my mind. It was so funny. I don't know. Huh, nice. Nice little art. Whoever drew that, I mean, Ricard, I know it wasn't you, but you're probably just posting it. But very cool, man. Very cool. Worth looking at, I guess. Hey, Bitcoin's doing the bulls. Look at the shadow. Beautiful. Very cool chart. Or not art, not chart art, but just regular art, I guess, right? Kings. Sure think Cisco, kid. Yeah, there you go, 600. Okay, man. Thanks for the 917 people tuned in. Thanks for the 367 likes, man. I really appreciate that. Let's get a 420 likes.
Is that a joint?
For Elon. At least to pay respects to Elon's stock that's getting obliterated right now. Hey, US on a tear. Is it still, though? I think it's pulled back. I mean, I guess it's up a little bit today. Barely any. I mean, all of its run and fun was yesterday. I mean, the big players today have been IOTA and Zcash. I mean, it's just so beautiful, dude. So freaking perfect. Sometimes it plays like that. All right. Measure move city on your symmetrical triangle breakout. And then you've got old Zcash hitting that 1272 and 1414 fib extension, believe it or not, from your high point to low point. There you have it, man. Probably close to measure move now. If you probably have hit the measure move of this pattern. Oh, it was just so great, man. The history, it's like the tether pair, so there's not much data. There's more data on other charts, I know that, but just really, really cool to see. Like, we had daily bullish divergence down here. The double bottom, we broke it, hit the target of it, and then look what happened. We broke it down some resistance, we ran up, we sold off all the way down to the area that was once a resistance, used it as support, confirming, hey, we're done with this downtrend. And then we started consolidating, formed this huge symmetrical triangle, and then big breakout, hit 100% retrace, hit the 1272, and even ran to the 1414, 8888 or something. It says 8890, but you get it. Okay. I don't know who that is. XRP killed my father! That's the meme, dude. That's seriously the meme. Who is that, dude? Oh, I missed it. I don't see that. It's like not popping up. Oh, is that Richard Hart? I don't know, am I? I don't see any pictures. There's just like a lot of old pictures of Richard Hart or something, man. I don't know. I don't see any good ones. Okay. Maybe not. What's like one halving gonna do? Maybe it's doing things right now. Maybe we're running up because everyone knows it's coming, right? So you're running up, you're leading up to the event, which is August 6th, I think, right? No, I did not mention Neo. You know bulls are in charge, but looking good. Buy-in. I'm sorry. What did you mean to say something more to me, or were you just saying, you know the bulls are in charge, but looking good, buy-in? Are you telling people to buy in, or what, dude? Okay, V-Chain. Yeah, it broke out yesterday. Hasn't done anything since. Hit a strong overhead resistance at 79.41. Look left, right? I think you have this range that you're stuck in. If you could ever break this, though, for real, you have a very, very nice ride up. Very, very nice run. I mean, dude, there's no overhead resistance if you could ever break this until you get to, like, my God, 1.1 cents, man. Okay, this is an uptrend. Descending triangle is an inherently bearish pattern, but dude, it doesn't matter because you know that bearish patterns are not as reliable, so a lot of times they do break to the upside. So this one did, but did not hit the measured move, not yet. I don't think it's done. I think you're just struggling pretty hard at tough to break resistance points. But after this, man, and it's manufactured too, so like breaking this could be very, very good. There's no, look, no support, no resistance, no support, and gonna be no resistance. Okay, if you can ever get this figured out and break, okay. Very good on VeChain for now. Gotta break 79% of 1 penny. I'm pretty freaking diversified because I don't touch my crypto tips, and I've been tipped a lot in crypto, and that's as far as I can really go with it. Okay. People tip all kinds of crypto, you know, different types. So. I must break you, Gonzalez, man. I must break you. Okay, so been live now for 1 hour and 7 minutes. You can hit that like button, that bell, that sub. If you're enjoying the Bitcoin bullish consolidation that we're forming, wanting to ride on up after this, hopefully. I mean, it just makes more sense. It just, dude, we're doing the exact same. We just alt-eyed everything, right? I mean, in the bear trend, it was just like, okay, double top, you know, like rising wedge or ascending triangle in a bear trend, right? Critical support's broken, whatever, you know, like just doing the same thing, man. It was so easy in the bear trend on Bitcoin and crypto, though no one cared to watch. Man, no one cared about watching, but everything was very reliable. Like, we were in the bear trend, and good God, the bear ciphers, the rising wedges, the bear pull, bear flags, all of it was so nice, man, so reliable. Okay, and it helped us save people stupid amounts of money. What's up, Tristano? Welcome in. Someone saying that the halvening is May of 2020, May 22nd, 2020 for Bitcoin. Thanks, Creation Arts. But remember, like, you know, if you don't take it personal, if you post a link in live chat and it gets deleted, it's just standard protocol, because like people will do that to try to scam people, so we just auto delete. If you want to post something, then post it in the Discord general chat, and then like let me know that you posted something in general, and we can talk about it. So the alternative labeling, okay, I got you, dude, gotcha. So, well, that makes sense then, I guess. So reaccumulation, well, dude, we did shake out hard, right? Didn't we have a big shakeout? The one that we used, the one that I used, and you're using the reaccumulation with an uprise. But I get what you're saying, man. I understand. Very cool. So also go back to Bitcoin real quick. Just look at it for a second, even though it's not doing anything. I've been watching it. That's okay. Okay, just stalling after the breakout. Nice little bull flag. Still over the 20 moving average on the 4 hour. Very nice. Oh, I don't know. I've never even heard of coin codex until now. So no one ever talks about it in here. So I don't know. I just look at CoinMarketCap. It's been pretty freaking reliable. So I don't think 311 billion is right at this current time. Maybe in a few days from now, Kappa, but you get it. What's up, Lou? Thanks for the snails, man. Hello, Ethan, Michelle. It was a link to the countdown of the halvening. Well, thank you, man, for the date. Now we know May of 2020 is when the halvening happens, and then August 6th for this year, 2019, for Litecoin. Okay, anyway, so bull flag, you get it, man. Reiteration, we've talked about it time and time again now. You're just stalling after a move up, resetting oscillators on slow or faster time scales. 4 hours now, not overbought. So that's beautiful, man. That's exactly what you gotta have. Okay. XRP pulled back pretty hard. We're back below 45 cents, barely, but still. Okay. You broke the double bottom resistance. It's now confirmed. You back tested it 4 times before running again, but we have not made a measured move. We have not even broken the December 24th and May 15th, 16th candle high closes. So there's a wick back from December 24th, 2018. Oh my God, man. There it is. Right, that wick never broke it. So we'll see what happens this time around. It doesn't look like Ripple needs Bitcoin price action to do much for it to have any kind of performance. And because, you know, we know Bitcoin's just making that consolidation. It's been consolidating since, what, yesterday, I guess, or the day before, like 2 days ago. So it's been consolidating for like 24 hours or maybe a little bit more on Bitcoin. So with 24-hour consolidation, you know, look how far we've come. So it looks good for altcoins when Bitcoin's consolidating. But when Bitcoin runs the upside, no telling what these assets are going to do. If they're really going to follow behind it, maybe not much if it does. Okay. Brad note, Pundy coin's trash. Okay. What's up, K-Pop, man? How you doing, dude? Remember to check out our Discord if you haven't. Okay, you definitely want to. That's probably the best community for like-minded individuals who care about crypto and technical analysis, and it's a good way to keep the conversation going when this live stream inevitably ends. It's the best way to get in contact with me and everyone else in this live chat right now. Over 2,000 members strong, like 2,200. It's crazy. It's like blowing up, man. Yeah, nearly 2,400 members now. So amazing, man. Love it. Sultan says, thanks for all your analysis. It has really helped me in the past few months. Good, Sultan, man. Glad to hear it. Okay. Very cool. Very cool. It's my reasoning. It's decentralized cell phones in India. Do they make money? No. Seems like they have to spend money to make those cell phones, right? So it's actually worse than a white paper not doing anything. So I don't know, man. Let me see some revenue reports. Okay. And on the chart, it's definite trash. The chart is terrible. Illiquid trash can
El
coin.
Ray, thank you for always dropping nugs of wisdom. People should listen more and spam chat less. Big Kangs, doing things.
Big gangs doing things. Cover crypto. Irwin.coffee. Check it out. That's how I'm able to do marathon streams, because of his coffee, man. It's amazing. It's from all around the world too. So thank you, man, for the Irwin coffee in the jar. 1669, dude. Thanks. Discord partnership. I tried applying. I don't know. It's being all weird. It's like saying, hey, post the address, and like I don't even have an option of posting an address. It's weird, dude. I tried doing it today. Funny you bring that up, Mr. Prick. Okay. Interesting. Hey, Mr. Element of P, man. How you doing, dude? Jill Pickle says, during the Great FOMO when Bitcoin ran, you didn't want to sit in alts. US dollar pairs change things potentially. When Bitcoin consolidates, alts rally. Yeah, Bitcoin's consolidating and alts are rallying. Yes, certainly. I agree. No, I'm not going to check Coin Codex, man. Sounds like a Pokemon Dex. Pokedex. Makes sense though, right? Beanie Babies. Oh, thanks for all the new Discord members joining today. Y'all amazing. Welcome. Your Irwin copies in the mail. Stay at home, Dad. Boom. Gangs. Still, I don't know, man. I freaking love the Monsoon Malabar. Very good. Indian Monsoon Malabar. So I like Indian coffee. Not sure I like Pundy coin. Oh yeah. How does it? What? How does that work, Mr. Prick? I don't even understand how that works. I didn't even know that was a revenue source. Discord. Discord's just like a place where you keep your community together when the live stream's not happening, right? So, hey, sorry. Let's see. I got a. Hey, Moonboy, thanks for the $1 super chat or contribution or something. Thanks, dude. What just happened? Yeah, it's like $3 minimum for TTS. Okay. And that's because of precedence. Because in the past, just imagine in this market, if like TTS was real, like for $1 tips, the stream would just get completely derailed. And yeah. What's the Discord link, Sublime Degree? The link is in the description below, I believe. But we also put the link in chat all the time, live chat. So, what's up, Ion Ang? Good to see you. What do you mean, Sublime Degree? Upcoming announcements to my technical analysis? What? Thanks for spamming love. Dang, man. J83. Yeah, K-Puff, do it, man. What it advertises different things, games, apps. That's weird, man. I mean, I'm not going to be doing anything like that, you know. But I didn't even know Discord Partner was even a thing till recently. So, but I won't be trying to make revenue. Dude, Discord has nothing to do with revenue for me. It's all about just the community, man. So, thanks, FPS Stang. Good. Can't wait to see you, dude. To rally is the question. Leap plot. To rally or not to rally? I think rally. But it's just going to take a little bit longer than you might think, man. Okay. Really. Hey, look at XRP pulling back, man. Not what you're looking for, man. Not you're looking for. Not so much XRP Zealot, but I do have like educational clips on bullish and bearish divergence on my Patreon. So if you want to learn about how to read the MACD, or really the RSI for that matter, there is educational content in my Patreon. So if you're a member of the Patreon, yeah. And guess what? That time of the month's coming around. The 1st of June will be the absolute best time to join the Patreon if you want to support this channel and you want to gain the vital educational information. And, you know, we do trade setups too. So, yeah, again, June 1st, best time to join Patreon. And that's just you saying, hey, man, I support what you do. I want you to keep coming back multiple times a day to give us interpretations of the market and analysis. What's up, Enter Solar? Welcome, man. Thanks for the sub, dude. Thank you all. Holy crap, man. 1 sub away from 10,700. I still can't believe it, man. It's like a dream. All right. Reset those oscillators, K-Puff, man. Hey, Crypto Gains. The reason why it's like the best because Patreon, they don't have any flexibility, man. It's either like, you know, you join at the first of the month or you join the first week, you're going to be good. But after the first week, it's like, you know, because it charges at the first of the month, no matter what. Sublime Degree, there are like lead ups to like big announcements or news and stuff. You got to really know the asset really well and see its history. There's not much history in these on these assets, but in the stock market, yeah, there are like big run ups. A lot of time, there's sometimes on the stock market, a lot like the assets will form these patterns to play before the event happens. Okay, Bukowski talks about it a lot. What's up, Jack Dono? Welcome, man. BCH US dollar? No, man. BCH US dollar was symmetrical. It was closer to an ascending triangle, yeah, but it was still like technically symmetrical, right? What's up, Justin Hammer, man? Thanks, man. BCH. We're talking about that. I'll look at it real quick. That was beautiful, dude. Look at that. Right? So, yeah, it does look like ascending triangle-esque. I mean, it's close, way closer to an ascending triangle, right? Especially after these wicks. They see, yeah, it is kind of an ascending triangle. Especially these wicks kind of tell the tale. But I don't know, man. Right? Pretty freaking close, if you ask me, man. I get you. I get what you're saying. It looks kind of like that. Anyway. So I'm just leaving it like that for now. It's 1 and 2 anchor points. It's really like that. And so a break to the upside. A measure move of this pattern. Like simple stuff. $553. We did a static video on Bitcoin Cash. No one watched it at all. Like, I'm just analyzing the same way I have now. We were like towards the bottom of the symmetrical or ascending triangle. And we said it could reach $500. And that was the name of the but I think it was like Bitcoin was pumping or something at the time, so no one cared. Sometimes people don't watch the static videos when like there's a lot of market action going on. And I think this is when I went live right after it too, because of the movement. Gross. Dude, thanks for everyone joining Discord. Seriously, y'all are amazing. What's up, James Allen, man? I mean, oh, this is that trash can. Don't call it a trash can, man. Don't call it that, dude. Look at this trash, man. Okay, it had its fun. It's just been selling off over and over and over. And look what happened. You broke critical support. Not good, man. Not really good at all. So who really cares what's happening right now? So you pop the upside, maybe you just back test this area that was once support as resistance on a retrace and then sell off again. Alright, I don't know. Look, illiquid S-coin wick stuff. Not really favorable, not really what I like at all. But if you like playing with crap, go for it, man. Go for the crap. Sorry, my arrow's there just because I'm pointing at like supports.
Isn't there bearish divergence on the MACD and RSI daily? From the high on May 15th to the high on May 27th, are we in an ascending triangle?
I'll check it out, dude. Thanks for the sailboats, man. I will check it out. So it looks to me like a descending triangle. Good God, man. Look at this 4 hour. You got a buy wall. And you got distribution. Am I crazy here, chat? No, man, that seems about right, man. Distribution with a buy wall. So descending triangle after a breakout. Ugh. Have fun, man. Good luck. If you want to play it, go ahead. But bearish trend, bearish pattern. Dude, it's Nobilio though, man. Of course it can't go any lower. This is definitely the bottom, right? It's Nobilio, man. They make cookies or something. No, that's that other company, Keebler. I put my money in Keebler all day before Nobilio. I mean, measure moves 1,038 sats or something. If it did break to the upside, offshoot chance. Talk about probabilities. If it did, measure move could put us right back in the back test of the area that was once a support as resistance area. Okay, so that's probabilities. Higher probability of the downside. You just know. I mean, just every time you rally, lower highs with the buy wall. Eventually, all the buy orders will be set. Sold right through, and there will be no more demand at this price. There will only be demand at much lower prices, and as you know, all-time lows. Okay, that sucks. That makes sense, dude. Thanks, Sebastian, man. Sorry that you don't care about being banned for spamming XRP, but best of luck, dude. So about Chronicles, chat with dude. In the nebula, man. XRP panic, dude. In the nebula. Give me a sec. Yeah, dude. Yeah. Definitely bearish divergence going on. Okay, I hear what you're saying. I got you. And it is kind of suck that we're stalling here. I mean, we should be going, man. But as you know, 60-minute, 4-hour, we got a bull flag going on, right? So, yeah, though you do have divergence going on, we don't know. This thing could just keep, the positive momentum could keep building. We keep getting higher and higher and higher, and the divergence could still be there by the time we get to 10,000, right? So it's not very easy in these bull trends determining where. Remember how we were looking at it back here? The same stuff was happening. It's like you had it, and then just we thought we had divergence, but then the positive momentum just kept building and building and building. And even there were times down here where we were showing stuff like this, like, oh man, towards the end of the day, looking pretty weak. This might be it, and it wasn't. All right, bull trend. The breakout just happened a couple of days ago, and it could just start building. Positive momentum could build. We could get overbought again. But yeah, you're right. For now, bearish divergence is there. Let it be noted, but it just begun. It has just begun. Good eye on that. Kills for a living. Thanks for the sailboats. Oh, thanks, Skyward Man. Oh, it's been delisted, so yeah, probably Matt Tipton. Just about. It's dead enough, that's for sure. Sorry. Eyeball issues. Anyway. But yeah, it's very true. Say you topped out here, bearish divergence for sure. But if you zoom in, 60-minute, 4-hour, it just looks like you're getting ready to go again, man. That's why you don't just look at one chart, right? Who's Bulkowski? Bulkowski's the man. He spent many, many years researching, analyzing, doing statistics on potential patterns and their reliability in traditional markets. Ulgit, that's who Bulkowski is. We like him. We like him. He's a good guy. Good heart. I don't talk about him a lot. I'm talking about a decent amount. Yeah. His books are good. Marco, if you want to learn traditional patterns, he's good for that. Is that Tesla stuff, Larly, man? Sorry, man. Hold on. What is it, Larly? Big trends and bigger reversals normally only show in indicators on even longer time frames. For example, the weekly, which is not showing divergence at all, reaching oversold weekly RSI in late 2018. Yeah. We were showing bullish divergence down there on the weekly, man. What's up, Robert Morse, man? Thanks, dude. Holy crap, man. Sub spike. Like spike. Everything spike. Mr. Prey, who are you talking to, dude? Hey, Maxwell. I don't have any thoughts on Rich chart. I don't even know. I looked him up and someone said I look like him or something, right? No, Marco, now I'm done forever. Orlando Rodriguez, was it, man? Post a timestamp in general chat and Discord, Orlando, for the world to see. All right, let's check it out. CNBC next sleep plot, man. Yeah, dude, we're gonna do it. We're gonna be kings, certainly. But I don't know, man. I just We're just hanging out, man. The market's not doing anything at all. Like, since we started the stream to now, nothing's really going on. Not too much. Okay. Binance eHarmony? What? IEO Harmony? Okay, I thought you were talking about eHarmony's coming out with an IEO. Wow. That'd be nuts, dude, right? But anyway, yeah, again, like any links, cool stuff that's going on in the markets or whatever, it's meant for general chat and Discord. So things in here that you're talking about live chat, I'm looking at Discord, so I can just, at any time, just look up, and there's general chat, all of you. Look, I'm about to spam a bunch of spam. Okay, I just spammed it. That's right, Matthew Adams, roll up, man. Trading View, Dom Russo. Is that true? Rock Cranberger? I don't really know many content creators in crypto. I know of many content creators that are not in crypto. But, yeah, I don't know. What's up, Bartek? You just joined, see me a couple times already. Well, Bartek, man, I'm glad you're seeing me again, dude. Very cool. K-Post going all in on eHarmony, right? Raffle Mawaffle, what? What I think of Litecoin, it was in a couple handle, broke to the upside, beautiful. It was like a potential scrubby head and shoulders, but we discussed probabilities. It was a lower probability of playing out because you were in a bull trend. That's it. And it ran up. What?
That's how you find out who your friends are Bob Ross.
A little nice happy bottom, right? We get the positivity bull pull bull flag, right? The more we think, the more we positively visualize the day ahead of us, the more powerful this bull pull bull flag combination is gonna be. All right, Argoscan, thanks for the $105 super chat, man. Good God, you are on a tear, dude. The new Kang is in the house, and his name's Argoscan. All right. Do this anymore, where you don't want to summon Seth to top Jesus, man. Okay. Argoscan, thank you, dude. Alright. Carl Bitcoin, thanks for the follow on Twitch, even though I don't really stream on Twitch. I won't until I get banned again, Kappa. Hopefully I don't get a copyright strike, but you know, Kaiser, man, look, dude, different personalities for different people, right? So there's a big group of people that prefer him over me, right? And they think I bet money, Kaiser, there are people being like, thank you for not wearing a stupid wizard hat or a stupid Viking hat or whatever, and thanks for not making fun of, or whatever, you know, people don't like about me. So it doesn't make him bad. It just, again, you have different preferences, just like a lot of people don't prefer me, they prefer him, right? So it's not Argoscan, it's Argosgang. That's right, dude. No, you gotta put a K in there, stay at home dad. What are you doing, man? We got a happy little bull flag right here, man. I have a little bull flag. Let's see what we can do, man. Is there anything out there that would work? Doesn't look like it. Kinda sucks. Yeah, I'm not saying anything. Not yet, anyway. I could spend some time making it into a PNG, but dude, there's like no PNGs that I'm looking for. There's no PNGs like out that I'm seeing right now. Crap, man. Really? I just can't believe it's so minimal. American flag PNGs, and it's just like, sorry, we don't do that. We don't do that on the internet. We don't create American flag PNGs. Okay. Try this. Oh, okay, here we go. We got some better ones now. Okay. Oh, I kind of like that one. Oh. That one could be pretty lit, man. Oh, yes. Alright. We're gonna give it a shot, alright? Bob Ross this stuff, man. Oh, of course it's not a PNG file. Go figure, man. I've got this, man. Trust. Trust. It'll be like something like this. It's perfect, dude. It's freaking perfect. Look, we can just do it like this, man. Beautiful, dude. Beautiful. We got a little happiness. We got a little Americana bull pull bull flag going on, chat. Hype in the chat. If you're proud to be American. If you're not, I get it, man. Burn me in the stakes. A bit tang. Bit Kang, bull flag. That's right, Marty, man. Be open-mindedly plot. That's right, or be destroyed. Okay. No, do not use fib circles or fib rings at all, Stephen Wright. Never. No. Alright. Do I think we will one day really start spending our crypto? Where did that go? That message go? Oh, knowing that it may be worth more next month or year? I don't know. Edward. A lot of people are already using it in countries where they have to. Okay. Salute. Stayed on dead. That's right, dude. Jack Brown, Kangs, dude. Alright. So it doesn't, you don't really need to see much behind the flag to just know it's a bull pull bull flag combination. An American bull pull bull flag. Alright. Yeah, Joel, I do. Well, we're retracing right now, I'm on, man. But understand, we've been consolidating for 2 weeks, and we just broke out of overhead resistance cleanly, and now we've set up a bullish pattern. Too many people expecting 9 to 10,000. See, that's ridiculous, man. Too many people expecting it. I mean, in the bear trend, man, like I'm doing the same thing I did in a bear trend, and it was just as reliable. It's the same thing. You're just flipping the chart over, man. Okay, so I don't know. Guess what? The only difference is you have all these scrubs who've come back, content creators who've come back since the bear trend's over. I was in it the whole time, right? So I don't really care what everyone else says. I'm not looking at what they're saying. I'm looking at what the chart's saying. That's all I'm doing. Oops, sorry. My bad. Perfect, dude. Sorry, a lot of chat, so. What's up, Magnus, man? Thanks for the 229. Thanks, Brainwaves. He says, as a European, I'm glad for you to be an Americab. What's an Americab, man? Dang, dude. You recommend the latest Badlands Chug video? Oh my god, what did he do this time? I know he did a water one yesterday for Memorial Day, or it was 2 days ago. Oh yeah, I saw that one. That was okay, man. It really wasn't that crazy, dude. Dude, he's done some insane stuff, though. Oh god, the Australian orange cordial. Disgusting, man. 1 gallon of chocolate milk in way under a minute. So gross. Yeah, anyway, we're talking about this guy who like randomly has popped up in all my stuff now, like all my recommended. And I think it has something to do with I think the algos or something read that I've talked about chugs before. And it's like, oh, this guy's into chugs. He'll like this guy. What? But the thing is, it's not true because I've heard so many other people from this community and other places are just like, what the heck happened? Like Reddit, like why is this guy all of a sudden like in recommended for me? So. What's the highest that Bitcoin could go in the future, in your opinion, MJ? I'm just going to leave it right here, okay?
I don't know, sir.
There you go. Hold on, man. No. Sorry, dude. It's like a lot, man. I'm trying to keep up with this. Hey, what's up, Sunny Decree, man? Good to see you, dude. Welcome, man. Royalty, crypto royalty in the house. Bitcoin doing things, man. Thanks for returning the favor, man. Thanks. Thanks for the $5 super chat. That's funny, man. That is funny. Never had a... Well, no, Alex Cobb's... he's tipped before, but he didn't say the same thing. Bitcoin doing things. Perfect. You spelled it correctly, Sunny, man. Very good, dude. Very good. Check him out if you haven't. Sunny Decree. All right. He's been around, man, and he's stuck around. So there's respect there that I don't have a lot of respect for a lot of others because they quit crypto during the bear trend and they're back. But Sonny's stayed around. So respect. Chat or be destroyed. Hype in the chat. Chugs coin. I guess, man. I guess that's why. Well, this guy's just nuts, dude. Look, man. I found out he used to be some sort of a competitive eater. Like 1 gallon of chocolate milk, dude. He'd kill it on this stream, man. He'd kill it. Just ridiculous, dude. I'm just in this fair use. I mean, I know I can watch it, but whatever, dude. You brought it up, man. You brought it up, chat. I was just gonna keep going, meander on, looking at crypto. We've had a lot of stuff covered today. 88 of BTC looks pretty interesting, doesn't it? Well, that's about the only Bitcoin pair that looks okay that I've seen today. And then, you know, other assets, right? The highlights, IOTA and Zcash. IOTA hitting the measure move of the triangle perfectly. And then, I mean, my God, dude, it doesn't get any better than that. And then you've got Zcash that I think it hit the measure move, but it also hit the 100%, the 1272, but it also hit the 1414 for the extension at 8890. All right, so big players today doing things. It's beautiful. Elixir project. What is this? Alchemy? I don't understand. You feel sorry for his heart. Ashley, you should feel sorry for his pancreas the most. Okay. VeChain doing things? No, it's not. It's down 2%, unless you're laughing at it for selling off, right? So, Moomin. Don't even talk about Nugsnet, Louis, man. Don't you trigger me, man. Don't trigger me. You can chug a gallon of milk, but you cannot hold it in for more than an hour. Is that like fact? Are you talking like milk chug school textbook stuff or something? LAB is actually drinking a gallon of Tabasco sauce. Dude, I don't even know. Hey, look. If that's your legacy, by all means. I don't know if they got into this world thinking, hey man, I'm gonna be older one day. I'm gonna be like much older. What am I gonna do? I'm just gonna like destroy my body in my adulthood? You know, like LAB. Oh, sorry about this flag, man. It's beautiful. We'll take it off for a sec. But I don't know, man. Like, what do you think they were thinking about the future? Their future YouTube career was just chugging stuff, because that's like how they made it big. LA Beast being one of them. He ate 5 canned hamburgers too. Oh my God, man. So weird. Has Bitcoin made a head and shoulders and now making a new ascending triangle? No, I don't think so, man. What? Head and shoulders on Bitcoin. No. It made an ascending triangle. It broke the ascending triangle. Now it's bull flagging. That's it. That's like literally it. I don't... Head and shoulders? What? But yeah, Dill Pickle would be wonderful, man. What's up, neighbor bot man? Thanks for tuning in. No backup lights? She's talking about no backup lights, AKMK. Hey, webcam's on, man, right? Yes. Canned hamburgers. Disgusting. Eric, is that what goes through mine? I'm fat AF. How the heck do I monetize this? I guess, man. I guess. Never expected targets of the bull flags up at like 9,700 plus. Alright. 13 minutes left on the daily and 4-hour candle, so we're waiting. We're just hanging out, killing time. We've analyzed a lot today. It's been a very effective stream. I've been live for an hour and 47 minutes now. Hit that like button, that bell, that sub if you're enjoying. Maybe not me, but maybe enjoying these altcoins rallying while Bitcoin consolidates. Eduardo. Here's, man. Thanks, man. Welcome. 2 more likes for... Oh, wow. 450 likes. We're at 448 likes. Thank you all. I forgot. We passed 420.
Is that a joint?
There you go, dude. The lights in the back. You want some lights, AKMK, man? Yeah, I've got lights and stuff, right? I mean, I actually control it now on my stream deck. Dude, oh my god, you gotta see this. What I bought. Oh, yeah. I bought this yesterday. It was, like, unveiled yesterday, I think. It's actually, like, I didn't know about it till Elgato Stream Deck was like, hey, there's a new update. Want to see what's going on? I'm like, yeah, what's going on with it? And then it's like, here it is. Oh, it's so fantastic. Oh, my god. We good here? Ah, crap. Make sure no info is... Gosh, dang, dude. It, like, docks me so hard. Alright, there we go. This is good. I had to zoom in a little bit. Y'all, this is what I just bought yesterday. It's a brand new product from Elgato. It's called the Stream Deck XL, and it's got 32 LCD screens. I'm currently using the one with 15. So this is going to up my game tremendously. I'm getting so tired of like just fanning through just a multitude of different folders on my current Stream Deck. This is going to be so awesome. So we did it, man. We're going big or going home, dude. AKMK, no, you the man. Stop talking about yourself, dude. Really appreciate that, brother, man. Thanks. Oh my god, I cannot wait for this thing. Now, I can definitely wait because of cable management. It's never easy installing anything new because of all my cable management. So that's going to suck, but it'll be worth it. Alright. Moose cam? What is that? Carver done moose cam. I don't understand. That's true, Lolly, man. It's like, you just get it. You look, man, it's like the Riptide, dude. Trends, dude. A trend is like going to the beach and the red flag is up. And you getting in the water is the equivalent of you counter trend trading. Alright? And so you can fight that undertow all you want. You're not going to win. That's it. So don't fight the trend. Understand, be able to identify what trend we're in. So you can trade it, right? You go with the trend, right? Bullish patterns, ascending triangles in an uptrend, bull flags, falling wedges, descending broadening wedges, man. Bullish patterns are more reliable in bullish trends. We're in a bullish trend right now, in case you haven't noticed. Jason Russell, thanks for the new sub, man. Appreciate it. Looking forward to seeing you around more and more every day. If you got time, dude. So true, Crypto Cloud. Bitcoin's Kangaskhan, not Genghis Khan. Good one, man. Very good one. What's up, Big Daddy G Funk? I'm like a radio DJ playing jingles. Brainwaves, yeah, dude. DJ Connect. Figure out a trading plan, Rico S, I guess. Trading plan? Know already before you hit buy or sell what your reason is behind all of it. Okay. Bitcoin seems to be going up. Oh my god. Yeah, it's moved up a little bit. Nothing really that special, dude. Still above the 20 and the 50 on the 4 hour, but on the 60 minute, you're just rejecting the 50 moving average. That's all you're doing. Not really good. Your 20 kind of bearishly crossed over your 50. What's up, RLB? Or RL Bosk? Bosch. Look at that. Very professional, man. Very professional. Nathan B60 listening while driving for rideshare. Thanks for the distraction from the LA butts. Hey man, it's brutal, man. It's a rat race out there, dude, in LA. I mean, they call New York the heart of civilization, but you can't say LA is not right there with them. Okay. Why is that crypto cloud? Oh, it's just 60 minute, I guess, right? More candles. So it is, man. Impulse up, down sloping consolidation, slightly down sloping consolidation, right? So just from like the low to high, where we retraced. See, we've made almost a 38% retrace on the dot, 85.41, before running back up. So you did technically hit the golden zone of your minor low to minor high, right? Which is flag territory between 236 and 382. You don't really want to fall below a 382 on your bull flags. So this is like textbook right now as it stands. What is happening? Wind token is forming bullish meaning. What, David Gorski? English? Both are way too crowded. Yeah, but at least LA spread out versus New York, which is not, right? Ed, is that true with the EOS? Yeah, it's up a little bit. We got 7 minutes left, just running out of the clock, waiting for that daily close, that 4 hour close. It's coming, man. All right. See if we get any kind of movement, and you know, we got Asia waking up now. Well, they've been waking up. Their day is slowly beginning right now. Those are my jerseys, William H. One from high school and one from college. Okay. Okay, man. So again, 6 minutes, 7 minutes left. Just chilling, just relaxing. Good stream so far. And just waiting for the close. There's some lights for you, dude, if you want it. AKMK. Okay. I'm gonna have to get some food soon. Mitch Connect to Bitcoin Connect chart, which is already 10K. Yeah, man, we're winning right now, I guess. Winning the war, but setting up for some rivalries going on, dude. I don't know. I think you're going to struggle before 10K. You know, like 95 to 9,700 is going to be tough. But you shouldn't be scared here. All right. I mean, that's a beautiful, beautiful bear pull, bear flag in a downtrend. A beautiful descending triangle breakout. Okay, and just doing the same thing you do. But it's bullish. It's the other way around. Kill the AKMK. Mr. Kobayashi, yes, I guess so, man. Linebacker, Twitch channel. Linebacker. Kind of price action would it take for a 24-hour stream? We'd have to go to like 12K from 9K, right? That's it. and that's not happening. So, dude, I did, you know, I've done a 13-hour stream. That's my record. And the only reason I did a 13-hour stream is because for 3 hours you had 2 whales. Like, there was a huge tip war. I couldn't even think anymore. I was like kind of drunk and extremely tired. And they were just like, hey, if you stay on, I'll tip you. And I did. And they just got a big war. And it was just like, oh my God, I can't go offline now. So I just went as long as I could. And that was like 3 more hours after the tip war started. It was nuts. I do trade setups on my Patreon, Anon. Okay. And you say it's easy to talk about TA without posting your trades, but is that true? Is that really, really true, man? And we're talking about entertainment and education in here too. It's not just I just sit here and do nothing. Dude, I educate so much in this stream, and there's so much evidence of that in the Patreon. Am I going to do an Austin meetup? No, when I go travel there, I want to meet up with people that live there. Okay, Adam, and I don't know anyone that lives there. If you do live in Austin and you're... I know, like, Skyward lives... But, like, if you live there and you're, like, you know, hip with the area and you know people and whatever, hit me up in Discord. Let me know, because I'll be going there really soon. Okay, just like to travel to visit to see if I want to live there. Okay, see if it's, like, a good fit. Ricardo, it's in the top left of the screen, okay? You're talking about the single largest. It's in the top left. Thank you, Rapidex, for the 553rd like of the stream. Dude, y'all are amazing. Is it really? It's not updating anymore. I have to refresh. Okay, yeah, 544 likes. Incredible. Thank you, Anon. Appreciate it. I know Austin has like a high cost of living and stuff, but man, sometimes you pay. Logan brought up good points, like telling him about like how much I paid here. You know, it's just like it doesn't matter, man. Because if you're not happy, then there's no point in paying a low like mortgage and stuff. Well, Hailstone, fortunately, I'm not going there for politics, so. Whew. I'll hate Austin? I don't think so, man. It's like where all the streamers live, man. So, man, 2 minutes. 2 minutes on your 4-hour daily candle. That's why I'm still hanging around, you know. Probably ended it, but we're just like so deep in the stream. Might as well be here for a daily 4-hour close. Alright. Dude, Austin has a lot of crypto sites. And there's a lot of crypto-centric projects there, too, which I don't really care about, but... Dude, thanks for all the new members of the Discord. Holy crap, man. What are we at now after that huge influx today? We are at 2380 members of Discord. We're exploding, man. Let's go. One minute, dude. 1 minute. You gotta pay for the quality of life. No, see, I don't know, man. You might not want to talk to one of the mods. Okay. Alright, thank you, Adam Peabody. Got you. Just PM me, dude. Just because in case I get busy or something, like, oh yeah, I can refer back to what you said instead of you said it in general, but general's just going to get flooded with comments and time, and I'll never be able to like remember what your name was in Discord and stuff, so... Have I ever thought about Columbus, Ohio? Not really, MJ, man. That sounds cold and a lot of Ohio State, man. I don't know, Neil, man. Again. City Center, Rocky? Is that like a name of like a complex or something in Austin? I'm not sure. Here we go, dude. Here we go. 1 second. Boom. It's on, dude. It's on. Okay, new 4-hour, new daily. What will happen? What happened? The crypto markets of the world goes into recession. It'll sell off. Leoth. Oh yeah. Oh my god, really? XRP, here we go, man. Alright, it's the official Bitfinex. A golden cross. We did it, man. We did it. Now, we had already done it on other exchanges and other pairs, like Tether pair, but dude, the one we look at all the time, US dollar, you know, XRP to US dollar on Bitfinex. We did it, man. Oh my god, confetti. Alright. Time to go nuts, dude. Oh my god, everyone cares. Everyone cares about XRP's golden cross. We did it, man. Downtown Austin. Yeah, I would like to live somewhere, you know, where everything's so convenient, like walking distance, Uber distance, like costs nothing, right? So congratulations, man, we did it, man. XRP, yay, yay. That's it. That's all you're getting from me. Okay. Coinbase again. Bitcoin to Coinbase. Nothing. Just selling off. So who cares? You could run down, you could hit 85, 50 and still be completely fine. Please understand that. Alright? This flag is doing what it wants. You gotta be patient. Yeah, I don't care so much about hockey poutine, man. Thank you, though. Just reading chat. And probably about to skedaddle. Since, you know, not much is happening. Go figure. Big Daddy Funk. Wise words. Thank you, man. Seriously. I don't know. Resistance at 8740. I think it's just being controlled. Controlled right now. Flagging, consolidating. Nothing crazy, right? It's just... There's like no real looking left resistance. Okay, we're just impulse, consolidating, getting ready to run again. Arcascan, what is that? A couple of crypto neighbors near this place for sale? Arcascan, man? Yeah, right. Let's go, dude. Malibu. I wonder what the mortgage is on that place, man. Sure thing, Alfonso, man. Anytime. That's weird. I got you, dude. There you go. Huh. That's really weird. It's like you're not part of the server. It says you're not in the same server, but you're literally typing in my server. That makes no sense. Mods, y'all know what that means? As long as you're in the Discord, you should be able to message me and saying you're not in the Discord server, but that doesn't make sense because you're talking in general chat. I don't even know, man. It's so weird. Oh my god, Pundy Coin, man. Oh my god, dude. People are about to get banned if I go and don't see this. Yeah, it broke the upside a little bit. Yep. Dude, that is not a very big deal. So bad, dude. That was nothing special. Yeah, Pundy Coin doesn't matter. Here's your Pundy Coin Connect, dude. Yeah, breaking to the upside and hitting a downside resistance. 1 and 2. Okay? Yeah, you're not breaking out. You think you are, but you're not. So there you go. Low liquidity S coin. It's only $41,000 mortgage a month. I got this, Argus King. Yeah, I got it, man. Okay. Good God. Argus King, man. Yeah, Bunny Coin is a terrible name. Doesn't even make sense. Whatever. Probably stuff we don't understand. But if you want people to buy into it in America, you might as well market to that. But they don't care. So, Bunny Coin. Not breaking out. Okay, right at 8,700. Nothing changed in this 2-hour plus live stream we've been in. Okay. John, people do. They do. And they spam it all the time. They spam, look at Bundy Coin. It's been selling off ever since inception, but it still means something. And that just means they're in it and they're holding bags, and they've lost a lot of money on it, and they're just holding on, hoping it's going to recover, but it probably never will. Yes, King Logan is terrible. It's above Farshad. What do I think about XRP by the end of the week? I don't know, man. It's selling off now, isn't it? I don't do end of week predictions, man. But I'll tell you, target for a double bottom measure move is up at 49.5 cents. So, and we backtested and held this as support. So, hey, there's always a chance your double bottom measure move could hit. But there's always a chance it won't happen. And I don't say, I predict we will be here by Friday or by next week. I don't do that, man. It's not how it works. Sure thing, John V. Yep, come on, volatility. Not getting any. Sorry, Copper Crypto, man. It's okay, man. Maybe we'll get it in between the day stream and night stream, right? Mark Cranberger, I've never lived outside of where I reside. I went to college in the state that I was born and raised in. I had a career for a decade in the state I was born and raised in, and now I'm ready to leave. Okay, so I've been settled down for too long. Yeah, Ricky Mouse totally mooning right now, dude. Totally. Alright, y'all. Let's do this. First shot, man. Thank you, dude. JC, AKMK. Sunny Decree, Kangs, man. Magnus. Arcus Scan, Session Top Jesus, man. $105 super chat. Unreal, man. Very, very grateful. Thank you, dude. Kills for a Living, James Allen. Kyber Crypto. Moonboy, Robert Clark. FPS Stang. George U. Mike LSU. Dill Pickle. Anonymous. Minty Crypto. Brendan. Anon again. Might be another Anon. I don't know. Nick K. Michael G. Thank you all for the contributions today. It means everything. All right, y'all are incredible. Because of the contributions you made to the stream, I'm able to come back multiple times a day and do, market updates, analysis on the S coins that you want. Even though we do look at stocks, but people just like crypto, care about crypto so far. So just give it time, man. Big one's bull flagging and setting up for higher prices. There's the higher probability we break the upside, not downside. And again, remember, we can go all the way down to like 8,500 and still be in that flag. So, wow, Pundi is Tagalog. It means burnt out in Pundi. In Malay means bladder. Wow, that is a terrible name, King Logan. Doesn't even make sense. All right. So I freaking love y'all. I mean, thank you all so much for the overwhelming amounts of support. The amount of likes and subs we've been getting is just unprecedented, and it's just a freaking honor to be able to provide you with market analysis, all right? So if you keep coming back, I'll keep coming back. You got my word on that. And I'll just see y'all again tonight at 11 Eastern. 11 p.m. Eastern for the night stream. So until next time. Respect the TA.
That boy is good.
My name is JP. I'm a robot. I like robots. I have a robot vagina.
Adios, turd nuggets.